Hi, I'm Sam from Dannells, and today I'm going to show you how to bandage wrap your lampshades with cellophane. This is perfect if you're making lampshades professionally and want to give it a really lovely finishing touch, and it also protects the shades from dust and from dirt, and it's much better than popping them into a carrier bag. So you just take your cellophane, just pop it in, and you start at the seam. So I've got the seam facing me at the moment, I find that easier. And you just simply start to wrap. So once you've brought it back on itself once, which we have here, and then we're just simply going to roll over the top and then drop through underneath. And roll over the top and drop through underneath. And you'll see there with the spoke, I've just gone to the side of it. So you just need to avoid having that in the centre, but that comes quite naturally as you're going round. So there we go. And just keep moving around and just make sure that the cellophane overlaps, because that's protecting it from the dust and dirt. Just making sure there that it's lying flat. So if that happens, you can just curl that back. And then back to our seam again, and then stand it back onto its base. Just snip off the cellophane, just holding on to this section here. We're just going to pop that in there. And I've just got some sellotape here on the side of the table. You could use like an attractive coloured tape if you wanted to, but a clear looks really good as well. And you simply just push that in place, and there we have it. So one cellophane wrapped lampshade that really kind of improves your product and makes it look super professional. So because the cellophane comes in all different shapes and sizes, these are actually sold by the kilo. And a kilo, this is actually a kilo here, so you can see the 6 in here, but you can expect on average 4 to 6 hand cobs within a kilo. So if you'd like any more details, please go to our website, and thank you for watching.